This is going to be the wind noise testing. As you can see, I have my E23 right here. We're about to get on the freeway and we're going to test. The first part of the video is going to be the one with the driver's side replaced, and the second part of the video is going to be both replaced. So we're going to hopefully check it out and see if it did make a big difference. Okay, here's the test. Let's see, I'm doing about 70 something, 80 miles an hour, and it did improve a little bit. I only changed the driver's side, so I'm sure that whenever I change the passenger side, it's gonna get a little bit better. But it did improve. Okay, we're doing about 80 miles an hour, and I'm very, very pleased with the results. In this video, we're taking a wind noise test, and both window sills have been replaced. So I'm very, very happy with the results. It's a lot quieter in here, and other than the wind noise being annoying, after a couple hours of driving, it gets fatiguing. It fatigues you, gets you tired. So I'm very, very happy that I replaced the window sills. Let's see, let's try and take it up to 90 and see if there's a bigger difference. Not that much of a difference. Sounds about the same. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And this is just another update of the modifications I'm doing to my BMW E23.